Listen closely because this one video might change how you think about collagen forever. If you've ever bought a collagen supplement, there's a high chance you've been wasting your money. Most collagen powders and pills are too large for your body to absorb. So the expensive product you trusted for glowing skin often ends up doing almost nothing. I learned this through my own experience. For 6 long months, I kept trying different types pills that promised miracles, powders that influencers swore by, liquids that cost a fortune, and even trendy collagen gummies. But my skin didn't glow, my fine lines didn't fade, and my hair fall stayed the same. It was disappointing and honestly frustrating. I was ready to give up on collagen completely. But then I discovered one science-backed secret that changes everything. Collagen only works when the molecule is broken down into very tiny absorbable pieces. It's not about the brand, it's not about fancy packaging, it's all about the type of collagen and the size of the molecule. Once I understood this, I completely changed my approach. Instead of choosing popular products, I started looking at the science behind them. That's when I decided to test a new method for 30 days to see if real, measurable results were even possible. The science is simple. Collagen is a large protein and your stomach cannot absorb it unless it's broken down. That's why most supplements fail. The only form your body can actually use is hydrolyzed collagen peptides. These are collagen chains broken into smaller pieces that your body recognizes and absorbs easily. The next important factor is the type of collagen. Type I is the main collagen for skin, hair, and nails. Type 3 supports elasticity, smoothness, and circulation. If you're taking type 2 collagen, it's great for joints, but it does almost nothing for glowing skin or anti-aging. So here's the checklist I followed. Hydrolyzed collagen peptides only, type I and type 3 combined, and at least 8 to 10 grams per serving. This simple formula made a huge difference in my results. I began my 30-day protocol with this new understanding. On day 0, my skin looked dull, my under eyes were tired, my hair felt dry. I took my collagen daily with vitamin C, increased my water intake, and consistently tracked my progress. During the first few days, I experienced mild bloating, which settled quickly. By the second week, my skin texture started improving, my cheeks looked plumper, my fine lines softened, and by day 30, the results were visible in every angle of the mirror. My skin felt firmer, brighter, and more hydrated. My hair shedding reduced, and that natural glow finally returned. These were real, science-backed results, not marketing promises. And the best part? I finally understood how to choose collagen that actually works and avoid the expensive scams that do nothing. So here's my conclusion. If you want younger looking, glowing skin, you don't need 10 different supplements. You just need the right kind of collagen. One that your body can absorb. One that is scientifically backed. One that delivers results, not empty promises. Thank you for watching this deep dive on collagen. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like button and share this video with someone who's been wasting money on the wrong beauty products. And don't forget to subscribe to Beauty Unlocked, your trusted space for science-backed beauty, skincare breakdowns, and real test-based results. Stay tuned, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video.